Okay, you guys. Since I already have a Crazy 8 Crasher, Lightning McQueen, I'm just gonna do some comparisons. Both 95. Both got the same bottoms. It's the front, 95. Both cute faces. I'm sorry, but it's true. And here's the back. Everything's the same on them. Boom! Anyway. So the new Lightning McQueen just crashed, and how can I tell new from old? Because this one has the scratched up lightning bolts, and you could just see the lightning bolts. So clearly this one's new. Next up, you have this new gate, which already have these other two gates that came with, so 3 gates now, and came with the 2 oil barrels. So, yeah. And now, oh my gosh! Look at those teeth! This is pushover. Now, let's take a look at the top. He's number 16. Here's the bottom. Nice. This side, it says, right here, it says, this and that auto parts. Number 16, I like the teeth there, kind of like he's trying to eat his own tires. Got rid of that. Same things on the other side, this and that auto part, 16, teeth. And I like the front, it's bent up. I like how the front is bent up, and I guess he has those little oil stains there. I don't know what they are. There's the mouth, and the eyes. In the back it says, two-toed. It says two-toed, and I'm proud of it. So he's bent, and he doesn't care if he's bent. So you can see pushover there, and he lands on top of RV right there. But that's not really important. What's really important is the almighty Pizza Planet truck. But he's not there forever. So if you look over top of Airborne, pushover crashed there. So yeah, I really like how pushover's like spin. And last but not least is the Thunder Hollow playset. And then I gotta assemble this. I'm just pouring out everything. Yeah. So in the box you got Crazy 8 Crasher, Lightning McQueen, Miss Chester Ripple Filter, and Miss Fruity.